Who is attracting more people, Madonna or Shakira? Remember, Shakira is a Latin star as well. This is Monday. On Saturday, it will be Sábado. Famous Latin Center next to the stage. It's the entrance into Copacabana from the Leme side. You have the big speakers and screens further down the beach, all the way down to Leme. And here you have the scene. So many people here on the beach. It costs around 2,000 reais to go in there on the VIP. It's including food, drinks, everything. And you have a VIP area in front of the scene, so you can go there. Here's all the ambulance. Seniors over there. This is the big drone you see up in the sky. You can't see it right now. It's too dark. Oh, it's up there. You can see it is right there. It's only 7:30 evening. Oh my God, there's a lot of people. Jeez. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's almost 9 o'clock. And there's so many people. Just compared to 7:30, it is crazy. It's the whole beach at New Year's Eve. It's the whole beach. It's not just from Copacabana Palace and further down. So at New Year's Eve, there's more people, for sure. I kind of wonder when they started to tear down the scene. As I see they're pretty far into it. Maybe they started right after Pappuccino went off the stage.